boss is the one who told me about the spot.
Damn, you're kinky. I like it.
I'm Reze, by the way. And you? Boy.
That's a funny question, since I don't think you even know who you are right now.
Spakima's the one who found the heart I wasn't sure I had. That means it belongs to her. Absolutely.
She works for the gun dealer! So strong! Push the purpose in a fire! Granted! Holy shit! The devil! Stay on him!
Oh, does it hurt? You poor thing. Come closer, Denji. I'm going to show you the many ways we can fight, up close and personal. I'm going to take your heart now. Hope you don't mind. You're a thief.